Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to restart this watch. To restart our watch, we need to press and hold the lower button, keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen, and once the menu appears on the screen, we can tap on the restart icon, this one, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm, and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system now, and that's how you restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.